With Rockin Green Platinum Series Activewear Detergent, you can be as confident about your workout gear as you are about your workout. Platinum Series Activewear uses natural ingredients to knock out stains and odors trapped in the fabric. Your favorite gear stays fresher, longer. Soaks are great for rejuvenating clothes and gear you thought were beyond hope, as well as maintaining your most popular activewear pieces. Gather up your workout gear, gardening clothes, anything that's stinking up your life. Or for a real eye-opener, grab all the activewear you washed in another detergent and think is already clean. Fill your sink or tub with water or use your washer's pre-soak setting. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Platinum Series Activewear. If the buildup is really intense, go to 3. Let it sit for 1 hour, then drain all that buildup and residue-filled water away. Toss your clothes in the washing machine and run them through a regular cycle without any additional detergent. Then dry everything like normal. Once you've knocked out the underlying funk, Platinum Series Activewear is your go-to solution for keeping your workout clothes stain-free, fresh-smelling, even longer lasting. You'll smell the difference right away, and you'll definitely notice a change the next time you work out. Whatever funk your busy life creates, tame it with Rockin Green Platinum Series Activewear Detergent. Train, sweat, wash, repeat.